Nowaskey here with another Thursday episode of the Nowaskey Performance YouTube channel. And today I'm standing next to PBR. That's right, Paul's Black Road King. This is a 2005 Harley-Davidson Road King sleeper. I mean, this thing is super cool, you guys. It looks a little bit unassuming from a distance, but this is a heavy hitter bike, and I'm gonna tell you why. So we kind of wanted to keep the stock look of this 2005 Road King, right? Like I said, a little bit of a sleeper. But Paul really loved our performance series of twin cam bikes, our skinny tire baggers, and he really liked how it felt and rode. So this is what we got for him. So I'll start out by telling you, first of all, this has the best of the best Nowaskey suspension in it. We have our 41 millimeter cartridges in the front, and that is a -1 application to lower it a little bit for Paul. And then in the rear of the bike, we have our 12-inch remote reservoir Nowaskey shocks back here. So we got this bike riding right and handling right, and man, it just feels great going down the road and in the corners. So you might notice, again, with this bike being a sleeper, we kept the stock 16-inch wagon wheels on here. We got those wrapped in Metzler tires. I just can't express how great this bike rides and handles. Of course, we had to get it stopping good too. So for this motorcycle, we did a 13-inch Gelfer rotor. And then, like I said, this is an 05, but we put 2008 brakes on here and adapted them. It's something that we just wanted to try out, and it works really great. Magnum shielding lines on there. So yeah, this thing I just can't express how great it handles and feels. And we got our Nowaskey King risers on here with a set of Trask handlebars. I'm telling you what, the riding position of this is just great. I just keep saying it, how comfortable this bike is. So we have the Predator seat on here, which gets you a really nice low seating position with some good lower back or butt support here to keep you locked into the seat. And that's really important on this bike. Again, being a sleeper, this is a Nowaskey built 95-inch engine in here that puts out 117 horse. That's right. We have Ward Performance heads, HPI throttle body on here, simple stage 1 air cleaner. We have gear drive cams in here. I might not tell you what cams those are because we're making some really good power. D&D Fat Cat exhaust, and then this is all run by a Thundermax ECM. We got this thing dialed in. Boy, does it sound good when you fire it up and let it warm it up. Couple other things. Paul really liked the cop bags. So we got a set of cop bags on here with the puck, easy to open and get in. That's, if you ever wondered what those were, up here, these pucks, that's the police bags, so they can get in and out easy when they're out doing their thing. Of course, we put the sheriff badges on here. You can get them that say a couple different things, but sheriff is what we did. We got some PSR levers up here that are adjustable, Avon grips, RWD mirrors. We got this little quarter fairing on here. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't super excited about putting this on here when we first did it, but it's really grown on me. I really like the look of it with this bike. Of course, we upgraded to custom dynamics, LED lights all the way around, smoke lenses on the fender tips, LED in the rear again, custom dynamics, smoked lenses. So, and then we have these awesome Joker floorboards and pegs on here. Something I really like. They're very grippy. They feel very good. And then of course we have the SBC crash bar in the front, and we went ahead and powder coated the rear hoops black just to kind of blend that in back there. And of course you can see here we got a beefy clutch in here with a Nowaskey Derby spacer and derby cover so we can keep that power to the ground. So yeah, guys, this this bike is so fun to ride. It is so cool to ride. This is PBR Paul's Black Road King 2005 Sleeper Road King. Man, I love getting on this bike and just going for a cruise, and Paul does too. So, hey, you know, you can apply all these awesome Nowaskey performance suspension and braking parts to your stock bike and make it handle and perform like one of our performance baggers. So, check it out, you guys. If you see this thing coming down the road, watch out. You're gonna hear it coming first, I guarantee you that. All of these awesome performance parts are available to you at Nowaskey.com today. So 2005 Road King, Nowaskey Performance. Make sure you like and subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments.